Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I explain to you how to get the Canva application on your Windows. That is, you can install the Canva application on Windows, instead of accessing it through the browser. Canva, developed by Perkins Incorporated, is one of the most popular applications that most people use and worldwide. It enables you to create charts and graphs and offers templates for workplaces as well as speaking presentations, social media posts, and stories on Facebook, Instagram and other social media platforms. You can also edit photos and videos using the Canva app. And the easiest way to install the Canva application on your Windows PC is to download the application from the Microsoft Store. The first thing you have to do is open the Microsoft Store. Then in the search box, type Canva. And from the search results, select the Canva app. After that, click on the Install button. The installation process will take a few seconds. Wait until finished. After that, you can close the Microsoft Store. Thus, you have obtained the Canva application on your device. You will find that it has created a shortcut on the desktop. You can open the application by typing Canva in the search box, and from the results click on the Canva application. To log into the application for the first time, you are asked to log in through the web. The steps are very simple. Then choose your account on Canva, and if you do not have an account, you can create one very easily. After registering your account on the Canva app, click Continue, and it will turn the web back into the Canva desktop app. Thus, you have obtained the Canva application on your Windows, and you can also pin the application to the taskbar, so that you can open the application quickly, and you will find everything you want in more than opening the application from the web. I hope the video is useful to you, and thank you for watching. I also hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.